Sutimam from Kala Group. I have an appointment with Miss Nabila.
Okay, wait a minute. I will confirm with Miss Nabila first.
Okay, I'll be waiting.
Excuse me, Miss.
Yes.
There is a client who wants to meet in front.
Okay, please tell her to come in.
Okay. Miss Nabila is waiting inside. Please come in.
Okay.
Okay.
Good morning, Miss Nabila.
Hi.
Can I sit here?
Yes, please. Good morning, Miss Desri. Thank you for coming today.
Good morning too, Miss Nabila. It's nice to meet you again. So I would like to discuss about the price and the partnership details.
Sure. Our price is 5,000 per units.
That's a little high for us. Can you offer a discount?
Yes, if you order more than 200 units, we can get a 20% discount.
That sounds fair. But how about the payment terms?
We usually ask for 50% advance payment and the rest after delivery.
Could we pay 30 days after delivery instead?
That's acceptable if we agree to a partnership today.
Great. So maybe we can prepare an MOU document to make everything clear.
Agree. I have the MOU ready now.
Really?
Yes. Please take a look.
I mean, everything looks fine. I agree with the terms.
Excellent. Shall we sign the MOU now?
Yeah, let's do it. I'll go first.
Yes. So, congratulations, Miss Desri. We officially begin a partnership today.
Congratulations to Miss Nabila. I look toward successful in our cooperation.
Yes, likewise. Can we take a picture to make a memories?
Great idea.
Wait, Mr. Aki, please help us.
So,
Yes, can you take a picture of two of us?
1, 2, 3. More.
Wait.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
Thank you, Mr. Eki. Thank you. It's look.
Bonus, come now, give it to us all that money. Super bonuses, we work so hard, it's not funny. It's time to celebrate.
Good morning. Hello. Good morning. I am Nabila Shakira from PT Samudra Jaya. I have an appointment with Miss Desri.
Okay, wait a minute. I will confirm with Miss Desri first.
Okay.
Excuse me, Miss. There is a client who wants to meet in front.
Okay, please tell her to come in.
Okay. Miss Desri is waiting inside. Please come in.
Okay. Excuse me, Miss Desri. Can I sit here?
Good morning, Miss Nabila. Thank you for coming today.
Good morning to Miss Desri. It's nice to meet you again. I'd like to discuss about the price and partnership terms.
Sure. So our price is 5,000 per unit.
That's a little high for us. Can you offer a discount?
Maybe we can give you a discount if you order more than 200 units.
That sounds fair. So what about the payment terms?
We usually ask for 50% advance payment and the rest after delivery.
Could we pay 30 days after the delivery instead?
That's acceptable if we agree to build a partnership.
Okay, great. Let's prepare an MOU to make everything clear.
I have an MOU document ready here.
Okay, good.
Please take a look.
Okay. Everything looks fine. So,
Do you agree with the terms?
yes, I agree with the terms.
Shall we sign the MOU document right now?
Yes, let's do it. Okay.
Congratulations, Miss Nabila. So our partnership is officially begins today.
Congratulations to Miss Desiree. I look forward to a successful cooperation.
Likewise, please can we take a picture to mark the moment?
Yes, that's the idea.
Miss Eki,
Yeah,
can you please take a picture of the two of us?
sure.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. More. And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. Good.
Thank you, Miss Eki.
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, this look good.